Hey guys. So I'm briefly going to go over the expectations for this week, and then you can get started on all the things that you need to do. But for the week of October 1st through the 27th, you need to watch the video notes for 2.3. Make sure that you follow along with those notes packets that I gave you in class. I believe it's the third page is when 2.3 begins. And so you'll take notes on there while you watch the videos that I've made for you. Once you're done with that, you're going to hit submit. And then you're going to go to Big Ideas and you are going to complete the homework on there. And then upload a picture to Schoology. All of those are listed in this folder. So we have our video notes, where you're going to post your showing work form. And then here's just a little update. So if you're absent from class, you need to let me know because we are doing a quiz in class. Quiz over 2.1 and 2.2. So the stuff that we learned in class this last week. And so if you are absent, let me know when I can send you that quiz. But that's what we have planned for this week. If you need help, I have Zoom links here. You just click on them. So from Wednesday from 9 to 9:45, and then Thursday and Friday 10:30 to 11. Obviously, you can email me as well if you need help with those or really anything. For Linksbucks this week, I want you to let me know that you watched this video by emailing me the answer to this question. So if you had to pick one song that played every time you walked into a room, what would that song be and why? So it doesn't have to be long. Just name the song and tell me why you would have that be your song. And I'll give you Linksbucks for it. Have a good week. Let me know if you need anything and go ahead and get started on your stuff.